Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best useful kitchen gadgets that you can add to your kitchen for their unbeatable utility and quality. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Home Hacks 12-in-1 Vegetable Chopper. If you're someone who spends a lot of time chopping and prepping ingredients, this multifunctional tool could be a game changer. It features 2 chopper blades and 5 interchangeable blades, allowing you to slice, dice, julienne, and even separate eggs with ease. The integrated handguard and the lid's handle make it safe and easy to use, while the drain hole in the container doubles as a washing basket for your freshly cut veggies. The design is thoughtful and functional, with food-grade ABS plastic and 420 stainless steel blades that remain sharp over time. The embedded riveting structure of the blades ensures stability, so you don't have to worry about them coming loose during use. At just 1.61 pounds, it's lightweight, compact, and easy to store in your kitchen. While it excels in versatility, this chopper does require some effort to clean, especially if you're using the finer blades for softer ingredients like tomatoes. The included cleaning scraper does help, but the process can feel a bit tedious. Ideal for families or meal preppers, this tool saves significant time in the kitchen. However, it's best suited for medium-scale tasks as it may not handle large quantities as efficiently. Pros: versatile, safe design, time-saving. Cons: cleaning can be cumbersome. At number 4, we have the OttStar Jar Opener, a highly functional tool designed to make life easier for seniors, those with arthritis, or anyone with low hand strength. This 6-in-1 gadget can handle lids of various sizes, ranging from small jars to large airtight containers, and even opens ring pull cans. The long handle provides excellent leverage, while the rubber lining ensures a firm grip on stubborn lids. The build quality is solid, with high-grade plastic and rubber components that are both durable and lightweight. At just 4.5 ounces, it's easy to handle and can be conveniently stored in a kitchen drawer or hung on a hook. However, it's worth noting that some strength is still required to grip the lid securely, especially for larger containers. This tool is perfect for those who struggle with traditional openers and want a compact, easy-to-use solution for a variety of tasks. While it's not as versatile as some of the other products on our list, it excels in its niche and delivers exactly what it promises. Pros: ideal for weak hands, compact and lightweight, multi-purpose functionality. Cons: limited to opening tasks, requires some grip strength for larger lids. Coming in at number 3 is the Trend Plain 16-ounce glass olive oil sprayer. This is a dual-purpose oil dispenser that lets you spray or pour oil with precision, making it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. The spray nozzle is engineered to deliver a fine mist or a steady stream, depending on your preference, giving you complete control over oil application. This is particularly useful for air fryer enthusiasts, salad dressing prep, or even light grilling. Made from BPA-free glass, the build quality is excellent. It's non-toxic, odorless, and heat-resistant, ensuring safe use over time. At just 5.3 ounces, the bottle is lightweight and easy to handle, although some users may find the glass construction less durable compared to plastic alternatives. Cleaning is straightforward. Just rinse with warm water and mild detergent. But note that the lid should be hand-washed to maintain its performance. This sprayer is ideal for health-conscious cooks looking to manage oil intake with precision. It dispenses exactly 0.15 grams of oil per spray, helping you reduce waste and control calorie consumption. However, the nozzle may require occasional maintenance to prevent clogging. Pros: precise oil control, dual spray and pour functionality, high-quality glass design. Cons: fragile if dropped. Nozzle requires periodic cleaning. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Fullstar Original Pro Chopper. Known for its viral success on TikTok, this vegetable chopper is a versatile, all-in-one solution for slicing, dicing, and even spiralizing. Its rust-resistant 420 stainless steel blades maintain their sharpness over time, allowing you to cut through a variety of ingredients effortlessly. The built-in catch tray keeps your workspace clean, while the soft grip TPU handle offers comfort during extended use. Design-wise, the Full-Star Pro Chopper is compact yet sturdy, thanks to its non-skid rubber base that ensures stability during use. At 2 pounds, it's heavier than some alternatives, but this weight adds to its durability. The BPA-free plastic construction is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This chopper is perfect for busy individuals aiming to prep meals quickly while maintaining a healthy diet. However, the limited blade options compared to other products might be a drawback for those seeking more customization. Pros: versatile and efficient, durable design, easy to clean. Cons: heavier than alternatives, fewer blade options. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the KitchenAid All-Purpose Kitchen Shears. These shears are a must-have for any kitchen, offering incredible versatility and performance. Equipped with premium stainless steel blades, these shears are designed to resist rust and maintain sharpness over time. The micro-serrated edges provide a superior grip on food, ensuring clean and precise cuts every time, whether you're snipping herbs, cutting meat, or opening packaging. The design is both functional and ergonomic. The soft, non-slip grip handle reduces hand fatigue during extended use, and the included protective sheath ensures safe storage while extending the lifespan of the blades. At just 4.8 ounces, these shears are lightweight yet durable, making them perfect for everyday use. What sets these shears apart is their unbeatable value. At just $9.99, they deliver premium performance at a budget-friendly price. They're also dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. While they're not as specialized as some of the other gadgets on this list, their versatility and reliability make them a staple in any kitchen. Pros: sharp and durable blades, ergonomic design, excellent value. Cons: none significant for general use. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.